Instana, automatic monitoring for Pivotal Cloud Foundry applications. Using the Instana tile available on Pivotal Network, you will be monitoring all your Cloud Foundry applications with just a few trivial configuration steps. Once completed, the Instana agent will be automatically deployed across the entire foundation. Instana automatically discovers and monitors your running and new applications as they are deployed or scaled. No special build packs are required. Instana automation does the work for you, freeing DevOps team resources. Language runtimes are automatically instrumented, providing runtime metrics and end-to-end tracing for every request. Endpoints within each application are automatically discovered. Application perspectives from Instana enables each team to focus in on what's important to them. They are easy to create based on Cloud Foundry organizations, spaces, application names, and the dependencies between applications. With application perspectives, teams can see their web application and all its resources alongside the performance of every web request. Instana includes end-user monitoring for web pages and single-page applications. See exactly how your pages are performing in the user's browser. Correlate with back-end calls for true end-to-end visibility. Sign up for a free trial today. Go to instana.com for full details.